If you are a content creator, then you already know how important some AI tools are to create great quality content. In order to make great videos, you need access to high quality images, videos, voiceovers, etc. But the problem is, not all of the tools are free, and even if some of them are, there is often a generation limit. But no need to worry, because in today's video, I will show you some tools that are absolutely free and come with unlimited generations. First, I will show you how you can generate unlimited AI images using Focus and Defocus. Then I will show you how you can generate unlimited AI images using PicLumen. After that, I will show you how you can create unlimited Flux images. And finally, I will show you a tool through which you can generate unlimited voiceovers. This is going to be a long video, so make sure you pay attention and watch the video until the end. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. As a faceless YouTube channel owner, I rely heavily on AI-generated images to create good quality content and keep my viewers engaged. Images are a fantastic way to capture attention and boost engagement, which translates into more views and subscribers. Now, for generating AI images, there are hundreds of options available, but they have two major problems. First, they are not completely free, and second, almost every free image generating website has a daily limit. Are you also tired of registering with a new email every time you hit those daily limits on AI image generating websites? If yes, then you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you a tool that lets you create mid-journey-like AI images for free with no limitations. I was mindlessly scrolling through Reels when I stumbled upon a video showcasing this tool. I was blown away by the high-quality images it produced, all without any restrictions. Pay attention, because I'll walk you through how to use this tool step by step. So sit back, subscribe, and let's get started. The name of the tool is Focus. It's a Google Collab tool, which is completely free and cloud-based, which means you don't need a powerful computer to use it. You can even use it on your phone. First, go to your web browser and search for Focus Google Collab and click on this link. Once you're in, you will see an interface like this. From here, click on the Connect button and let it connect to the GPU. Once that's done, click on the play button and let it execute the code. It will take some time, so please be patient. And once it's done, click on this Gradio link and it will take you to the actual interface to generate images. After that, click on Advanced and it will open this panel. From here, you can tweak the settings for the image generation. And this is the prompt section where we will write our prompt. Now I will just give it a prompt. Then select Extreme Speed from the options and click on Generate and let it work its magic. Once it's done, you can see the quality of the generated images. These images are ultra realistic and the quality is 1000 times better than any other free image generator. Now, if you want to make the images more detailed and high quality, select Quality from the options here and then generate the images. By doing this, the AI will focus on image quality rather than generation speed. After it's done, you can see that the images look even more realistic and detailed. Now, if you want to make different types of images instead of ultra realistic ones, you need to go to Style and select from the available image styles here. You can see that there are numerous options available, and to preview a style, you can just hover the cursor and it will show you the previews. I will use this style for this video and generate, but feel free to choose the style you like and experiment with the prompt. After it's done generating, you can see that the prompt is the same, but the images are different because we chose a different image style. Now, if you want to upscale an image, first download the image and then select Image Prompt and upload the image here. Next, from this section, select Upscale 2x and hit Generate. This will upscale the image and also fix some imperfections. And there you have it, folks. A free image generator where you can create any kind of image without limits for free. If you run a faceless YouTube channel or want to create one, then I'm sure you know how important AI-generated images are for content creation. They are a great way to express your thoughts and grab viewers' attention. But how many times have you been deep into creating images for your videos, only to get a message saying you've hit your daily limit? I know it's very frustrating, and almost all AI image generators have this limit. But no need to worry, because in this video, I will show you an awesome tool that works on stable diffusion and can create high-quality AI images for free, and most importantly, it doesn't have a daily limit. You can generate unlimited images with this tool. I will try to keep it as detailed as possible, so make sure you pay attention. Now, without any more delays, let's get started. Now, in my previous video, I showed you a tool called Focus to generate images. This time, I will show you the updated version of it. It is more powerful and has more useful features that weren't available in Focus. It's called Defocus. It is also a Google Colab tool that runs on stable diffusion. It's essentially the improved version of Focus, and here you can also edit your images this, which is awesome. Now, if you want, you can download the app and run it on your computer, but that requires a high-end PC with a strong GPU. So we'll use the Google Colab Notebook option. This is cloud-based, so you don't need any GPU and can use it on any device. Once you click on the link, you will see an interface like this. Now you can change the theme from here and also the image generation style. I'll just keep it on default because you can change these settings later as well. Now from here, click on this connect button and it will connect to the GPU. After that, click on this little play button and it will start running the code. It will take a bit of time depending on your internet speed, so be patient. After some time, you will get this Gradio link. Click on it and it will take you to the main interface. Now from here, you can generate the images if you want, but if you want more control, then click on advanced and it will open this section. From here, you can change the settings for your image. In this section, you basically need to tell the AI whether to focus on quality or generation speed. If you want great quality results, then you can select quality, but it will take a bit longer to generate, and if you want faster results, you can choose any one of these options. I'll just keep it on default for this video. You can choose the desired aspect ratio for the images from here, and from this section, you can tell the AI how many images to create at once. You can generate up to 32 images at once, which is crazy. Now here you can see that it has Photopea built in, so you can edit your images with ease. For those who don't know, Photopea is basically the online version of Photoshop and it's free. It also has a background remover built in, which is very useful. Don't worry, I will demonstrate everything, so make sure you watch till the end. Now let's give it a prompt and generate our image. I will provide this simple prompt and hit generate and let it generate the images. Once it's done, you can see that the results are looking awesome and extremely realistic. Trust me, you won't get this kind of quality images for free anywhere else. Now let me show you how you can change the image style without writing anything extra in the prompt. To do that, go to style and you can choose from all these available image styles. You can see that there are numerous options available and you can just hover the cursor over each one to get a preview of that particular style. I'll uncheck these default options and select this anime style, then hit generate. After it's done, you can see that the prompt is the same, but the image is different because we chose that particular style. Now you don't need to search for the perfect prompt detailing the image style and aspect ratio anymore. A simple prompt like this will work completely fine, and the best part is you can preview each style before generating. Let's try one more style. This time I'll choose this cyberpunk one and uncheck the previous style, then hit generate, and look at that. This is amazing. Honestly, this is so good I could play with this all day, but for the sake of this video, I'll stop here. It also has the option to use an image as a prompt. To do that, select input image, then go to image prompt and upload your image here. Next, scroll down and click on advanced and turn this value to 1 and hit generate. As you can see, it has mimicked the image nicely. Now if you want the AI to reference the input image even more, you can turn this value higher and then generate. It also has a feature to get the prompt from any image. To do that, go to the describe tab, upload the image, select the image type and hit describe. It will then generate the prompt for you. Now let's remove the background of an image. First, go to this option and upload the image here. Then just hit remove background and it will remove the background for you. As you can see, it has done a pretty awesome job. Now you don't need to use any other website to remove the background. You can just do it here and it's completely free. And if you want to edit your images, you can do that from this Photopea section. Just upload the image here and you can do some serious photo editing with this. It is also completely free. And there you have it, folks. An AI image generator that is very powerful and can also generate unlimited images for free. Or do you want to start a faceless YouTube channel? Either way, AI images are going to be an integral part of your content creation process. I also use high quality AI images to turn them into stunning videos like this. Here is a movie trailer I made earlier using AI images and turning them into videos. Trust me guys, you can never create high quality videos like this without high quality AI images. So the moral of the story is that high quality AI images are very important. Now, to generate AI images, first, you need to find a good image generator. Once you find one, you need to check whether it is free or not. And even if it's free, almost all of them have a daily generation limit. I know, right? It's very frustrating when you finally craft the perfect prompt after generating multiple images by tweaking your prompt and then you get hit with one of these notifications. It's really annoying. Now, for me personally, I love Flux. And I always generate images using Flux. But Flux is not free, and even if it is free on some websites, there is still a daily generation limit. In my previous video, I showed you guys how you can use Flux Ultra for free, but that also has a generation limit. While it may be useful if you want to generate a few images, if you want to create AI stories or documentaries like this, then you would require a tool where you can generate as many images as you want, because you'll need a lot of trial and error until you find the perfect image for you. But is there a free tool like this? Of course there is. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how you can take full advantage of it. Look at these images. I was able to generate all of these using this absolutely free tool. And here's the best part. You can generate an unlimited number of images with this. Yes, unlimited. And to add the cherry on top, you can also generate using Flux in this tool. Isn't this awesome? I will show you guys everything about this tool in great detail and create some awesome content by turning the images into videos like this. So make sure you pay very close attention and watch the video until the end. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. The tool we will be using today is called PicLumen. I have been using this tool for a long time now, and let me tell you guys, the quality of images it can generate is way better than some of the highly ranked image generators you see here. I have already made a few videos on this tool earlier. You can check them out if you want. You can use this tool to generate all kinds of images, whether it's ultra realistic or animated. And you can also generate consistent characters with this, which is really awesome. Now to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you will see an interface like this. As you can see, it has a very sleek and simple interface. Here, you can see images generated by other users. And to be honest, they look pretty awesome too. When you hover over any of the images, it will show you the prompt used, which is pretty useful for taking inspiration. Now, once you click on create, it will take you to the main interface. This is where all the magic happens. When you click here, you will be able to see different models here, and each model serves different image needs. As you can see, it has realistic, anime, artistic, and even has the Flux option, which is great. First, let's try the realistic model and generate some images. Now we need to give it a prompt here. I will give it this very simple prompt. Then you can select the aspect ratio from here. I will choose 16:9. Then from here, you can select how many images to generate. I will keep it at 1 and then click on generate and wait for it to generate the image. Here is the output. Just look at this, folks. It looks so real. The details on the leaves and the rain are very realistic. It looks like a real image, doesn't it? I'm telling you guys, this tool is a hidden gem and you should utilize it to the fullest. That's why I keep making videos on this tool. Let's try one more. This time, I'm going to give it my usual prompt, a beautiful woman looking at the camera. Then hit generate and here is the output. As you can see, it looks very real and doesn't look like a typical overly processed AI image. Just look at her hair, eyes, lips, even the skin texture. They look very real. It honestly looks like a picture taken from a very good camera. If you show this image to someone, I'm sure they won't be able to tell whether it's I or not. It's that good. Now let's try one more. This time change the image style to this artistic one. Now I will give it this prompt, an astronaut floating in outer space. Then click on generate. And here is the output. Just look at this, guys. The image is outstanding and the prompt adherence is also very good. Honestly, this image looks like a scene from a movie. It is very detailed and looks awesome. Trust me, this is straight up on the Flux and Midjourney level images. Let's try one more. This time I am going to give it this prompt, Spider-Man in New York City. Then click on generate and here is the output. Wow. Honestly, I wasn't expecting the result to be this good. Just look at this image. If you show this to someone, they won't even be able to tell whether it's a screenshot from a movie or AI. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I would love to know your thoughts. Now you can turn this image into a video and create awesome content that gets thousands of views. Let's try one more image. This time I am going to give it this prompt I have generated using ChatGPT. I will put it in the description for you to try. Then I will click on generate and here is the output. This image looks stunning. It looks like a scene from a Disney movie, doesn't it? Now you can use these kinds of images and turn them into videos to create awesome animated stories. And now let me show you how you can create consistent characters using PicLumen. Let's say you want to create an animated story and this is your main character. Now to generate different images of the same character, first download the main image. Next, click on this image icon and upload your reference image here. Once done, click on it and make sure character reference is selected. After that, turn this strength all the way up and now you need to give it a prompt here. I will give it this prompt generated using ChatGPT and click on generate. And here is the output. As you can see, the image looks awesome. And if you look closely, you will be able to see that the face is the same as the main character. As you can see from here, they both look identical. I know there are a few imperfections, but they are barely noticeable. Now you can use PicLumen to generate consistent characters and create awesome engaging content. And now let's try to generate some complex images. Let's try to create these kinds of viral anime nature images. To do that, first give it this prompt. Don't worry, I will put the prompt in the description for you to try. Next, I will change the aspect ratio to this and hit generate. And here is the output. It is looking absolutely stunning. It looks so soothing, doesn't it? Now to turn it into a video, all you need to do is go to Immersity AI and sign up using your email ID. Next, upload your image here and it will start processing the image. Once done, it will create a cool depth animation like this. Now from here, you can choose the kind of animation you want, then export the video by clicking here. And no need to worry because there will be no watermark after you export and download. And here is the final result. Trust me guys, some people are charging a lot of money to show how to generate videos like this, and now you know how to do it for free, and it's really easy too. And now let me show you how you can generate something really cool using PicLumen. First, let's give it a prompt. I will give it this prompt, and yes, it will also be in the description for you to check out. Then I will hit generate, and here is the output. Just look at this image. It looks awesome, doesn't it? The AI was able to create a perfect hybrid of a dog and a mafia boss. Now all you need to do is turn this image into stunning video using your favorite image to video generator and go absolutely viral on Instagram. Here is what I was able to create. Trust me guys, these kinds of videos are going absolutely viral on Instagram. As you can see, this account is getting millions of views by creating these kinds of videos, and now you can do it too. So don't just sit there and consume content. Get up, start making your own content and make some money. And now let's try the Flux option it has. To do that, let's select the Flux option first from here, and then let's give it a prompt. I will give it this simple prompt and hit generate. Here is the output. As you can see, it looks good. Now let me tell you, this is the lowest model of Flux, so you cannot expect the result to be outstanding, but still, it's much better than other generic AI image generators. Now, PicLumen also has the ability to generate images of celebrities. Let's try that out. So I will change the image model to this one, and then I will give it this prompt and click on generate. And here is the output. As you can see, it looks awesome and hilarious at the same time. I'm telling you guys, so many good AI image generators struggle to generate images of famous people. But not only can PicLumen generate the images, you can also customize them to create awesome, hilarious images like this. And all of this is for free and unlimited, which is just crazy to think about. Here is another image I generated. As you can see, it looks awesome. Now you can turn these images into videos and create stunning, hilarious content that goes viral on Instagram. Here is what I was able to create by flipping the iconic Apple's Think Different campaign.
Here's to the crazy ones, the misfits, the rebels, the troublemakers, the round pegs in the square holes, the ones who see things differently. They're not fond of rules, and they have no respect for the status quo. You can quote them, disagree with them, glorify or vilify them. About the only thing you can't do is ignore them, because they change things. They push the human race forward. And while some may see them as the crazy ones, we see genius. Because the people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do.
Wasn't that awesome? I used PicLumen generated images and turned them into videos using Minimax and used voiceovers by 11 Labs. You just saw how awesome it looks, and you can do it too. I'm telling you guys, this tool is going to help you a lot to create awesome content. So make sure you are taking full advantage of this outstanding tool. And as of now, at the time of recording this video, it is absolutely free and unlimited. So go and try it out. The link is in the description. Take a look at these images. I generated all of these images for free using AI, and as you can see, they look stunning. If you run a Faceless YouTube channel or want to start one, then you know how important AI images are for creating engaging and visually appealing videos. They are a great way to grab the viewer's attention, and you can also use AI images to create stunning AI videos. Now, there are multiple AI image generators out there, but the main problem is they say they are free, but they are actually not. All of the AI image generators have a daily generation limit, and once you exhaust the limit, it, you need to purchase their subscription. But no need to worry, because in today's video, I'm going to show you a tool through which you can generate an unlimited number of AI images for absolutely free. Now, I have made a few videos earlier on this topic, but today I am going to show you this method to generate images using Flux. For those who don't know, Flux has taken the internet by storm for its quality and ultra realism images. Even Elon Musk uses Flux to power his AI image generator Grok 2. I have been using Flux for a while, and trust me, this is the only AI image generator that is at Midjourney's level, and in some cases, it is even better than Midjourney. There are multiple ways to use Flux, but none of them are free anymore. So I am going to show you a method to generate unlimited Flux images for free. I will try to show everything in detail, so make sure you pay attention. Now, without any more delays, let's get started. The tool we will be using today is called Flux Jupyter. It's a GitHub repository that you can run using Google Colab Notebook. You can also install it on your computer and run it locally, but that will require a lot of computing power. Google Colab basically gives you a platform to run and execute the code to generate images, so you don't need a high-end computer with a powerful GPU to run this. It's all cloud-based, and you can even use it on your mobile phone. To get started, simply click on the link in the description, and after that you will see an interface like this. I know it looks a bit intimidating, but don't worry, this is very simple. First, click on this connect button and let it connect to the GPU, and once that's done, click on this play button to start executing the code. Now, this may take a little bit of time depending on your internet speed, and once it's done, you will see a green check mark like this. After that, scroll down, and this is the section where we need to give our inputs to generate the images. Now, this is the prompt section. Let's give it a simple prompt like this: a beautiful woman looking at the camera. After that, I will change the height and the width of the image from here. After that, you don't need to change anything else. Just click on this play button and it will start generating the images. Now, this method takes a bit of time to generate the images, but hey, it's totally free, so no complaints. And here is the output. Just look at this image. It looks absolutely stunning. Look at the hair, the eyes, and the details on her skin. It looks really awesome. Trust me, no other AI image generator will be able to create images of this quality. Now, to download it, you can just right click on the image and save the image from here, or you can click on this file icon, and this is the generated image. Click on these three dots and download the image from here. Now, let's try an animation style image. I will keep the same prompt and just add animation style at the end, then click on the play button, and here is the output. You can see how easily the image style was changed. Now, you can also use this to generate all different kinds of animation styles from Disney, Pixar to anime, and you can already see how amazing the quality of the image is. And honestly, this image really looks like a scene from an animated movie. Now, you can also use this image to turn into stunning videos and create short films. Let's try one more. This time, I'm going to give it a complex prompt like this: cinematic scene of a pirate ship coming out of the mist in the ocean. And hit play, and here is the output. Just take a look at this. This is so amazing. Just look at the water. It is so detailed. And look at the ship. It looks so real. Honestly, if you show this image to someone, they won't realize that it has been generated using AI. It is that good. Now, just imagine the kind of content you can create with this tool. It's absolutely amazing. And now let me show you how you can generate ultra realistic images that are almost undetectable. To do that, simply give it a prompt like this: selfie.jpg, and click on play. Here is the output. Just take a look at this. Doesn't it look like a real selfie taken from an iPhone or something? The image is not a typical AI image with lots of processing. It looks very natural. It's absolutely amazing. It is almost undetectable. Now, you can also use different methods to generate ultra realistic images. For example, this time I'm going to use this prompt and hit play, and here is the output. It is awesome. Now, I have already made a very detailed tutorial on how to create ultra realistic images using Flux, so you can go and check that out. Now, Flux also has the ability to add text in images perfectly. In fact, it is the most talked about feature of the image model, and it even beats Midjourney in terms of adding text to images. To do that, you need to give it a prompt. I have given it this prompt: a beautiful young woman holding a sign that says subscribe to Wealthwise. Then hit play, and here is the output. This is just stunning. You can see there are no typos or any weird morphing. The text is clear and as described in the prompt. Trust me, even Midjourney cannot generate image text as accurately and flawlessly as this. This is awesome. And if you have made it this far into the video, you can consider subscribing to the channel. Now, I will try one more image, and this time I am going to give it a very complex prompt like this. I have generated this prompt using ChatGPT, and here is the output. You can see this looks good. Now, you can use Flux to generate futuristic sci-fi images like this without any issues. Here are some of the images I was able to generate using Flux. This is is a very high quality AI image generator and you should definitely try this. Now, I have used this image and turned it into a stunning video like this. Let me show you how I did it. First, click on the link in the description to open Minimax. This is the best AI video generator available right now. I have made a very detailed tutorial on how to use this tool, so you can go and check that out. Now, to generate the video, simply go to the image to video option and upload your image here. Next, you need to give it a prompt here, or you can just leave it blank. I have given it this prompt and hit generate, and here is the output. Just take a look at this. This is absolutely stunning. It straight up looks like a scene from a Disney movie. The phase remains constant throughout the video and there is no weird morphing. Everything is very smooth. Now, without a good input image, you will never get an awesome output like this. Now, here is a quick example of a movie trailer I created using these tools. Wasn't that absolutely awesome? If you want to know how I made it, you can check out my previous video. I will put the link in the description. Are you tired of creating different email IDs every single time when you hit the daily image generation limits on those AI image generation websites? Yes, I know how frustrating it is to create or use a different email every single time. If you run a faceless YouTube channel or want to start one, then you know how important AI images are in order to create engaging content. They are a great way to express your thoughts and keep the viewers engaged. But here's the problem. There are only a few really good image generators that can generate high quality and amazing images, and the best ones are either not free, so you have to pay to use them, or they have a daily limit, which makes it hard to use them as much as you want. My top 3 AI image generators are Midjourney, Ideogram, and Flux. Now, as we all know, Midjourney is not free anymore. Ideogram has a daily image generation limit, and Flux, which is my favorite, used to be free on some websites, but now it is not. In my previous video, I shared a method where you can use Flux One for free to generate images, but that's too slow, and honestly, after so many new updates, Flux One images look a bit outdated. But no need to worry, because in today's video, I'm going to show you a way through which you can generate images using Flux for free without any limits. Yes, you heard that right. And the best part is you can generate the images using the Flux 1.1 model, which in my opinion is the best AI image generation model. Here are some of the images I have generated using the tool, and you can see all of the images look really amazing and high quality. I will try to keep this video as detailed as possible, so make sure you pay good attention. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. The name of the tool is Mistral AI. It is a large language model like ChatGPT, and it can also generate high quality images. And the best part is it uses the Flux 1.1 model to generate the images. For those who don't know, Flux has taken the internet by storm for its amazing quality and ultra realistic images. Even Elon Musk uses Flux to power his AI image generator Grok 2. I have been using Flux for a while, and trust me, this is the only AI image generator that is at Midjourney's level. And in some cases, it is even better than Midjourney. Now, there are multiple ways to use Flux, but none of them are free anymore. So after doing a lot of research, I have finally found Mistral AI. I have been using this for a while now to generate images, and it's really awesome. To get started, simply go to the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. This is the main interface. As you can see, it's pretty simple and kind of looks like ChatGPT because it's a chatbot after all. Now here you can see 3 options: canvas, web search, and image generation. Select the image generation option, and now we need to give it a prompt. I'm going to give it this prompt: a beautiful woman looking at the camera, and hit enter. It really doesn't take much time to generate the image. And here is the output. Just look at this image. It looks absolutely stunning. Look at the hair, the eyes, and the details on her skin. It looks really awesome. Trust me, no other AI image generator will be able to create images of this quality. Now to download it, you can just right click this download icon and the image will be downloaded. Now let's try one more. This time I am going to use the same prompt, but I will just add 3D animation style at the end and then hit enter. Here is the output. You can see how easily the image style was changed, and it looks absolutely stunning too. If this was an animated movie, I would definitely watch it. It's just too good. Let's try one more. This time let's ask it to create an image prompt, and then we will use that prompt to generate the image. First, let's click on this plus icon to create a new chat. Then make sure none of these options are selected from here. Then I will ask it to generate an image prompt here and hit enter. As you can see, it has generated the image. Now let's check how good this prompt is. Let's just copy this prompt, then open a new chat, select image generation from here, then paste the prompt and hit enter. And here is the output. You can see that the lion looks so detailed and realistic. Now in Flux, I have found that the simpler your prompts are, the better the results. So make sure to always give simple prompts. And if you are using AI to generate prompts, make sure you ask the AI to generate simple prompts like I did. Let's try one more image. This time I'm going to give it this prompt: cinematic scene of Dunkirk, World War II, and hit enter. Here is the output. You can see it looks absolutely stunning and almost looks like a scene from a movie. Trust me, no other free AI image generator can create images like this. This is just too good. Now, just imagine the kind of content you can create using this tool. You are only limited by your imagination. Now, Flux also has the ability to add text in images perfectly. In fact, it is the most talked about feature of the image model, and it even beats Midjourney in terms of adding text to images. To do that, you need to give it a prompt. I have given it this prompt: a beautiful woman holding a sign that says subscribe to Wealthwise, then hit enter. And here is the output. This is just stunning. You can see there are no typos or any weird morphing. The text is clear and as described in the prompt. Even the fingers don't look weird. Trust me, even Midjourney cannot generate image text as accurately and flawlessly as this. This is awesome. And if you have made it this far into the video, you can consider subscribing to the channel. Let's try one last image. This time, I'm going to give it this prompt: mirror selfie, low quality, Snapchat, and hit enter. And here is the output. Just look at this. It looks so realistic, it is almost scary. It looks like a real selfie taken by a real person. It looks amazing. And now let me tell you about a few little limitations that this tool has. Firstly, as you might have already noticed, it can only generate images in one dimension. You cannot change the default dimensions. But no need to worry, because I will show you a way to expand the images for free. Next, I feel sometimes it uses lower models of Flux to generate the images. If you use it, you will see some images will be really high quality and some not so much. I am not entirely sure about this, but sometimes it feels like that. Next, you cannot use this to generate any type of image of any celebrity. It will always give you a message like this. Now, sometimes while generating images, you might see some output messages like this without any output images. No need to worry. Just open a new chat and start generating again, and you will be good. Overall, this is an amazing tool to generate great images, and it's completely free without any limits, which is awesome. And now let me show you how you can expand any images for free using AI. Simply go to firefly.adobe.com or click on the link in the description to open this. Then scroll down and click on generative fill. After that, you need to upload the image here. Next, click on expand, and then you can select the desired aspect ratio from here or do it manually like this. I will choose 16:9 and click on generate and let it do the magic. And as you can see, it has expanded the image and it looks awesome. Also, it has created different variations, so you can choose the one you like or you can always regenerate. I like this one, so I will select this and click on keep, then download the image from here. Here it is. It looks great, but as you can see, it has added a watermark. So let me show you how to remove the watermark easily. First, click on the link in the description to open clip drop, then upload your image here. After that, brush over the watermark carefully like this. Next, click on clean, then give it a few seconds and it will remove the watermark just like this. Now you can download the image from here and you are done. Now I have used this image and turned it into a stunning video like this. Let me show you how I did it. First, click on the link in the description to open Minimax. This is the best AI video generator available right now. I have already made a very detailed tutorial on how to use this tool, so you can go and check that out. To get started, just click the link in the description and sign up with your email ID. After signing up, you will get 100 free credits to generate videos, and the credits renew every day, which is awesome. They used to give 3 days of unlimited generation for new users before, but now they have stopped it. To generate the video, simply go to the image to video option and upload your image here. Next, you need to give it a prompt here, or you can just leave it blank. I will give it this prompt and hit generate. And here is the output. Just take a look at this. This is absolutely stunning. It straight up looks like a scene from a movie. Now, without a good input image, you will never get an awesome output like this. Here is a quick example of a movie trailer I created using Flux and Minimax.
We shall defend our island, whatever the cost may be. We shall fight on the beaches. We shall fight on the landing grounds. We shall fight in the fields and in the streets. I would say to the House, as I said to those who joined the government, they have nothing to offer but blood, toil, tears, and sweat.
If you're a content creator, especially for faceless channels, then I am sure you know how important high-quality voiceovers are. Whether you are making tutorials, telling a story, or creating documentaries, choosing the right voice can make a huge impact in terms of views and clicks. Just a few years back, this was not even possible. You had to get a good quality recording mic to record voiceovers, and that wasn't even that professional. And it was really time-consuming, but in today's AI age, generating studio-quality voiceovers is really easy and widely available. Now, there are multiple good AI voice generators available, but the problem is they are not completely free. Almost all AI voice generators have a character limit, and once you exhaust the limit, you won't be able to generate any more. If you try with a different email ID, you will get errors like this. And get this, even after you pay for a subscription, you won't get unlimited generations. There will always be a limit. But don't worry, because in this video, I will show you a tool through which you can generate unlimited AI voiceovers. Yes, there are no character limits. You can create voiceovers without any restrictions. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. The name of the website is TTS Free. You can use the link in the description to open it. After that, you will see an interface like this. This is the section where you'll need to paste your script, and you can see here it says 500 characters per conversation. Don't worry, this is not a voice generation limit. It means you can generate voiceovers for 500 characters in one go. For example, if you have a script with 2000 characters, then you'll have to generate 4 times to cover your entire script. Now, if you sign up, this limit will go up to 2000 characters per generation. Next, you don't need to do anything in the server section. It will automatically choose the best server for you. From here, you can choose your preferred language. And as you can see, there are many options available, including Hindi. You can also select the voice character from these available choices. You can just click on this play button to preview the voice. And from here, you can adjust the pitch and speed of the voiceover to your liking. Now, let's paste a script and generate the voiceover. I'll paste this script and click on convert to start the generation process. Once it's done, you can play it to preview the voiceover.
Technology transforms life, connecting us globally, solving problems.
Now, if you're happy with it, you can download it from here. Let's generate one more voiceover. This time, I will choose the Hindi option and give it the script that I've generated through ChatGPT. Now, let's play it.
प्रौद्योगिकी जीवन को बदलती है, हमें वैश्विक रूप से जोड़ती है, समस्याओं को हल करती है.
As you just heard, it sounds really good. I know it's not as professional as other paid tools, and also the website has lots of annoying ads, but hey, it's completely free, so can't complain. And there you have it, folks. An AI voice generator that can create unlimited voiceovers for you. You can kickstart your content creation journey with this absolutely free tool. And once you start gaining some traction, you can transition to paid tools for more professional options. Take a look at this YouTube channel. It has over 300,000 subscribers, and all they do is upload AI-generated history shorts like this. If you play one of their videos, you will see that the videos are very basic. They use AI-generated images and voiceovers with simple editing to make these videos. But here's the thing. Despite how simple their videos are, they get an insane number of views. Now, you might be wondering, how is that possible? Why is this channel so popular when the videos seem so straightforward? Well, here's the secret. It's the storytelling. If you play one of their videos, you'll notice something. The stories stories they tell are incredibly engaging and human-like. They draw you in, make you curious, and keep you watching till the very end. Compare that to some other channels that also use AI tools. Their scripts are generic, overly complex, and honestly kind of boring. And that's where they lose their audience. The truth is that while tools like ChatGPT can create decent scripts, but let's be honest, they can never be engaging enough. Sure, they generate content quickly, but it usually sounds robotic, lacks emotional connection, and feels like it was written by, well, an AI. Let's face it, that's not the kind of content that keeps people hooked. In videos like these, the story is everything. The more engaging and human-like your script is, the better your chances of getting more views and building a loyal audience. And this is where most creators struggle. They rely too much on AI-generated content without realizing that storytelling is what sets the best channels apart. But don't worry, I've got a solution for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing tool that can transform any AI-generated script into something that feels human, engaging, and truly captivating. Trust me, I use this tool all the time for my own content creation, and it works like a charm. This tool doesn't just make your scripts better, it can help you in so many ways. If you're a content writer, a student, or someone looking to sell PDFs or any documents online, this is going to make your work stand out. Plus, it's perfect if you want to bypass AI detection tools without any hassle. I'm going to walk you through everything this tool can do step by step, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. The name of the tool is Humanizer.pro. It is by far the best AI humanizer tool I have ever used. And the best part is that it is completely free without any limits. To get started, simply go to Google and search for Humanizer.pro, and this is the website. Now, click on it to open it, or you can just click on the link in the description. And after that, you will see an interface like this. As you can see, it has a very simple and pretty straightforward interface. This is the section where we need to add our text, and from here you can see that there are 3 levels. If you choose the simple level, the AI will make small changes to the text. If you choose normal, the AI will use a bit more creativity to change the text. And if you use the advanced mode, then the AI will be more creative and make significant changes to the original text to make it more human-like and avoid any kind of AI detection. Now, let's give it a text and test just how good this is. But first, let's head over to ChatGPT to generate a script. Once you are in ChatGPT, you can give it a prompt to generate the script. I'm going to give it this prompt and hit generate. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated the script. Now let's copy the entire script and head over to Humanizer Pro. Then click on this paste text option and it will automatically paste the text that you just copied from ChatGPT. And now here you can see 2 options. One is the AI checker, where it will tell you if it's AI written or not, and the next option is humanize. First, let's check the humanize option. So I will click on humanize, and here is the output. If you read it, you can actually see that it has rewritten the script and made it more engaging and human-like. Isn't this awesome? Now you can use this script to create your video. And now, let me show you just how good this tool can actually humanize AI written content. Let's test this text with one of the best AI detecting tool and see if they can detect it or not. The tool we will use is called Quillbot. First, I will paste the script generated by ChatGPT, then click on Analyze Text and wait for it to analyze. As you can see, it has detected that this is AI generated content. And now let's paste the humanizer generated content here and click on Analyze and let it scan the text. And once it's done, you can see that it is showing as 100% human written. Isn't this awesome? Now in Humanizer Pro, you can also check whether a particular content is AI written or not. All you need to do is paste the text here and click on check for AI, and it will show you whether it's AI written or not. As you can see, it has checked the text with the most popular AI detection tools, and all of them recognized it as human written content. Now let's say you are a content writer and you want to write an article on World War II. If you use ChatGPT to write the content and post it, people might detect that it is AI written. But with the help of Humanizer.pro, you can rewrite and humanize it to make it absolutely impossible to detect. Now let me show you one more very good example. Let's say you want to sell a PDF online on Facebook ads, and you want to take the help of AI to write everything professionally and also don't want anyone to detect that you have taken the help of AI. First, let's head over to ChatGPT and ask it to create a short document on Facebook ads. Now copy the text and head back to Humanizer Pro, paste the script and then click on Humanize. And just like that, it has rewritten the text and no AI detector will be able to detect it. Let's test this. I will copy this rewritten text, then paste it here and click on Detect AI, and here you can see that all AI detectors have recognized it as human written content. In today's crazy world of AI, adding a little bit of human touch can make your content way better than the generic AI content you see everywhere. Whether you are a student who wants to write a boring essay for class without detection, or a content creator who wants to create amazing, engaging content, this tool is the best way to make your content come alive. I have used this tool to even brush up the script for the video that you are watching right now, and I am very satisfied with the results it produces. It is completely free and doesn't have any limits, so make sure you go and utilize this tool to make awesome content and make money. I will put the link in the description, trust me. People are making tons of money by creating AI videos like this, and you can do it too. Just believe in yourself and start taking action. I'm always here to help you. You just need to take the first step, which is the hardest part. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.